Today we're looking at memory and how both tech and nature affect it. Shortcuts like copy-paste, autofill, or AI summaries make things fast, but they also bypass the effort that builds memory. Huberman and other neuroscientists remind us, neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire, only happens through challenge. If you skip the struggle, your brain doesn't grow. Reflection time. Pause the video to write your responses. When was the last time you leaned on a shortcut? Did you actually remember the concept later, or did it slip away as soon as the shortcut disappeared? Now here's the surprising balance. Research in environmental psychology shows that stepping outdoors, even for 10 to 15 minutes, can restore attention and help you consolidate ideas. Looking at natural scenes, letting your eyes rest on something far away, or walking under natural light gives your brain space to organize and connect concepts. Pause and write your reflection. When was the last time nature helped you reset your thinking? Try this. Step outside, recall 3 ideas you're learning, and notice if they feel clearer after. Today's takeaway is that shortcuts skip the struggle, and without struggle, memory doesn't grow. Remember to practice first, then give your brain time to reset. Step outside, look up, and let your mind organize what you've learned. A few minutes in nature can be the difference between forgetting and truly remembering.